Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 7 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to do some of the cabinets. As you can see, we have the cabinets right here, and we also have a cabinet on this side. Now we're going to continue by going to level 1, and then here we're going to double click on the section number 2. So double click here, and then now we could have, or we could create one right here and one right here. So now we could actually copy this one. So edit this, not copy, but we could edit this, and we could add, keep on adding from here, because this is the same material. And then we could just click on extrusion again and then pick this plane. So now that we click that, we can then click on the rectangle and then put 10 on the offset right here. And then let's do the corner to corner again. Space bar 4 to change the orientation going to the inside. Now this one, I believe we could just add one more. So I think that's good enough, 550, 550 each. Or we could have the spacing for the corner on this side. So I'm just gonna do it like this for now, and then click on this one to just get the midpoint, and then click here just to get the offset 10. After that, SL, that split element, and then just click it right there, and then below, and then TR, trim and extend. Once you're done, you can click finish, and then finish again, and then let's see the look. Here we could change. This is actually, this one needs to be Douglas fir, and then this one should be Douglas fir. So that looks nice. Then we need to do the one in the bottom, and then we still need to edit this so that we could change it to drawers. So now go back to section 2, select this one, edit, and then here go to create, extrusion, pick a plane, and then select this plane. Once this is selected, select rectangle, and then put an offset of 10, and then click on the corner, and then spacebar to go to the inside, and then this corner right here. And then from here, we just need to find the midpoint at least, and then divide it properly from there. I'm just estimating it now. Maybe we could just put this one 450, and then 450 right here, and then click pick line, and then 10 offset. And then one more right here actually, and then SL, split element, So let's finish this up first. TR to trim and extend before we do any of the changes for the drawer, because I think it's better to put some drawers on this side. Okay, so now this is birch semi-gloss, and then click finish and finish. That looks much better. I'm gonna put something in the middle here for the handle that we're gonna use is I'm gonna put right here. So drawer, probably we could change this to drawer. This is hinge door on both. We could put drawer here, and then maybe drawer onto this side. So I'm gonna edit first this one, edit, select this one, and then edit extrusion, and then go to the section. So now, like I said, I'm just going to add in, I'm just estimating basically these drawers, and then we're going to add another drawer here, and then another one right here, and then I'm going to align this. I'm going to pull this one up a little bit. I'm basically eyeballing this only, and then offset this to 10. And then SL, that's split element. Okay, and then TR, trim and extend. Okay, so that's good. So this side is good. Let me see the other side, which is I'm planning to put it right here. So I'm gonna edit again, and then edit this extrusion, and then go to section 1 or section 2 actually. So now same thing, I'm going to add in some lines, and then knowing where the lines are, I'm going to align them all together. So here I'm going to add a line and a line right there. Now SL, sorry, AL first. So we're going to align it first. And then SL, and then TR, trim and extend, and then click finish, and then finish. Look at it in 3D, and it looks good. Now I'm gonna provide a handle, and this handle you'll be able to use this As you can see, it's a face base, so you can add this one right here, and then you can add it right here as well. So it's a very easy to use family, and as you can see, it's easy to add and easy to orientate by using your spacebar. So I'm gonna provide this. It will be on the second link from part 1. So make sure to check part 1 description. So I'm gonna add those ones again, CM on this side now. Most of the time it's better to add it first on those sides, so that once we go to section, we'll be able to just copy those ones. So I'm gonna move this, MV to move. I'm gonna get it from the midpoint, and I'm gonna find the midpoint right this, and then move it like that. So that's my trick, so that to get it in the midpoint. This one, I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna get it from this top, and then look for the midpoint right here, and I'm just gonna put it down like that. This one, pull it like that, pull it down. AL, I want everything to align properly so that it looks much better. And then the gap, we're gonna discuss the gap. So now here, I'm gonna select that, click on copy, multiple is checked, so I could just copy it from there and then there. So that's done. We could copy this. So hold on control button and select those, copy, and then we could just copy it right here. And then what we could do is we could just move this one. So I'm just estimating where it is located. For this one, estimate this one as well. Probably 60 from that side. We could do 40 right here. And then 40 right here. That looks good. Then now on this side, I want to maintain. So I'm actually gonna copy this first, and then I want to copy or align the location of this. So AL, make this one as a reference, this one as a reference as well. So now I'm happy with that. We can nudge it at the top there. AL from the bottom. Should be just 40. So I'm happy with that. And then here as well. So I'm gonna copy it and grab it from the corner. And then here, copy, put it one in the middle, AL. Let's copy this or align it from here. So I'm happy with that. Let's go to section number 2 and add this one. I want this one to be 40. And then align it with the proper height right here. And then just mirror this. I think that's the easiest way. There we go. So that's done. For this, I'm going to align it. Luckily, I have something that I could check. And then here, in terms of the midpoint, I should have checked the midpoint first, and then I'm just going to align it. There we go. And then from here, just gonna copy. There we go. And then now this one, I just need the height and then how far it is from here. Needs to be 40. I'm going to copy this from this corner and then mirror this. So far everything's good. Looks like a kitchen now. Before we finish, I just want to deal with this corner. Like I said, I want to just place something like this on that corner. So I'm gonna use actually my extrusion, and I'm gonna pick right here, model in place, generic model. Extrusion. This will be level 1. So basically I'm estimating that this is 10 inch, so 10 millimeters. And then now I'm just aligning it, and then from the gap, I think this is good enough. So 10. Grab this one and then 10. So click finish, go to 3D first. I know it's below there. We need to pull it up. We need to pull it up much more in order for that to show. And then I'm going to align it from the top portion right there. AL. And then AL at the bottom. We just need to expose the bottom here so that it's easier to align it. AL. There we go. And let's just change the material to the same materials that we have there. So I think it's something G, gluten or something that we already have. I'm gonna finish it for now, and then I'm gonna double check it again so that I will know the proper. So it's actually Douglas for my mistake. So now edit, select that again, and then here just change it. There we go. So that looks much better. So in the next video, we're gonna finish up with an island, and hopefully everything is good. So thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.